start again. It's a red skin.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. For my hairstyle today, I'm using mousse and gel. I'm using a regular maximum hold mousse from the beauty supply store, and my gel of choice is the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed gel, but any gel with really good hold will do. My hair is already split into 4 sections, and I'm going in on that back section, separating that into half, and using a smaller section in the back, I'm going to do my first perm rod. So first, I detangle that section, add my mousse, 1 squirt of mousse will be good, and then I add about a quarter size amount of gel, just enough to coat your hair and making sure that you're focusing on the ends, because you do not want to have your ends looking really dry and trashy. That's actually going to make the perm rod horrible. So focusing on my ends, and then I start by placing the perm rod at my root, and I am twisting the hair around the perm rod. So as I am bringing the perm rod up, I am twisting it around my finger around the perm rod. I would say the secret to getting my hair the way I do it is that I don't just simply roll my hair up the perm rod, but I'm also twisting and twirling my hair around the rod as I am wrapping it around the perm rod. So I'm going to show you guys again the process that I do. So I split my hair in 2, clip the other side away. I add 1 pump of mousse, and then I also add about a quarter size amount of gel, making sure that I focus on the ends, and then I place the perm rod at my root, and with a firm grasp, I twirl my hair around the rod. So I'm not just rolling my hair down the rod, I'm actually twirling it around, which actually makes for a really pretty coil. When I've reached the end of my perm rod, I do add a little bit more gel just to secure the ends because you don't want them to unravel. I tighten the hair to my roots, and then I clasp the perm rod with the string over the hair. That is how you get your perm rod to stay in place. So once again, the steps are: separate hair into desired section, add 1 pump of mousse, work that mousse all the way in because you want to make sure you saturate your hair without reverting it though. Add a quarter size amount of gel, make sure that you focus on your ends. For this section, I decided to try twisting my roots to make the hair a little bit tighter at the root, which actually really helps. So for this section, you'll see that I split my hair in 2 and twist about 3 to 4 times down, and then I add the perm rod to the root. This method is actually a better way of securing the roots so that you don't have puffy roots. And then I just follow the same trick. Twirl my hair around the perm rod going down, and then seal off my ends with a little bit more gel just to make sure they don't unravel. I'm going to speed up the rest of this video, but it's the same steps going forward. I used a total of 10 perm rods in my first back section, and in the second back section I also used about 10 perm rods. In the front of my head, however, I wanted to use the beige perm rods because I wanted a tighter coil, and I'm also only using gel because the mousse kind of made my hair a little bit heavy, so I decided to try just using gel. Pro tip, it's actually better to just use gel and your hair will dry a lot faster. And I'm also twisting my hair at the root before I add the perm rods, which actually makes your hair way tighter at the root, which reduces the look of it being puffy. So I recommend only using gel and also twisting your hair before you add the perm rod. So that's my sets for the front portion of my head, and I'm going to continue that until I'm done. So I do not have a hooded dryer, so instead I use a bonnet dryer on my hair for about 45 minutes until my dryer actually gave out. So for the rest of the day I just air dried. So I air dried for about a full day, and then it's time for the takedown. So this is a full day later, and I mean literally 24 hours. And when I'm unraveling my hair, I unravel the exact way that I put the perm rods in to make sure that I don't disturb the curl. And I was so happy that my hair was actually dry, because y'all know the hassle. If you've ever done a perm rod before, if your hair isn't dry, you might as well throw the whole perm rod set away. So I unravel my hair just regularly, nothing special. And then once I'm done, I unravel the curl individually. When I'm unraveling my individual curls, I don't do too much, and this is actually the benefit of twisting your hair at the base, because automatically the curl is going to be split into two. And then I go in and probably unravel the hair about 2 to 3 times. I don't try to disturb the curl too much because that's how you end up with a lot of frizz. So I unravel where the hair naturally wants to separate, and that for me means about 3 to 4 times per each curl. Once I'm done separating each curls, honestly, you could leave it just like this, but I want a little bit more length because my hair shrunk a whole lot. So I actually go in and separate my hair into probably 4 to 5 big chunks, and then I just blow dry the roots by doing the tension method. And what that means is you hold the ends of your hair taut and you just focus the blow dryer at the roots of your hair. I just wanted a little length. You honestly don't have to do this, but I had a cute dick wig to go on, so I wanted my hair to be a little bit, have a better shape. So I blow dry the roots of my hair for about 4 to 5 seconds, just to add a little bit more length and just to shape my hair a little bit more. And that's it, the final product, a really soft, bouncy, defined PermRod set on stretch/blow dry hair. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you do have any additional questions, please feel free to drop them down in the comment sections below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Thank you so much for watching this video. Every view counts. If you haven't as yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button so you know when I post another video. I really appreciate your support and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!